You know, this time of year I'm about tomatoed out. Uh, been eating tomatoes almost every day and canning tomatoes, and my big tomatoes over here, they're about toast. I'm ready to pull those up. I need to pull them up and burn them. I don't use them in the compost again. I usually burn the tomatoes, plants anyway. Keeps from spreading any disease out of them. So let's pick these, and I should have enough to do another round of stewed tomatoes. I'll can those. Got a bucket full of them that I need to get processed. I just let the tomatoes go wild this year and do what they wanted to do. These aren't even ones that I grew from seed. I just picked these out of the compost pile. Or actually, most of these over here, I grew them here last year, and they just kind of, wherever the tomatoes fell, I just let them grow. So these are seeds from last year. Cherry tomato, or not cherry. These are just regular. Well, yeah, they're cherry tomatoes, little salad tomatoes. Okay, that's enough. Those got a small bag of them. That's enough. I already got a big tub in the house full of them from yesterday, so that's enough. Pretty good for stuff I didn't plant that looks like hell, really. But they're still producing no matter how they look. Let me go get some of these beans over here.